Today's video is the third installment of the mini mystery box marathon we got going here in August of 2022, and it's Battlebox time. This is Battlebox Mission 89, and that's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for trustworthy information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name's Brian. Thanks for joining me for, as I said, another installment of the mini mystery box marathon. I just like saying that. I say it different every time, I think, but anyway, here in August of 2022, I'm trying to get caught up on some of these mystery box openings and give you a chance to maybe have a little interesting content every day for the next few days. So, as I said, we're going to take a look at Battlebox Mission 89. And if you're not familiar with Battlebox, maybe you just picked this video up first and didn't see the rest of them. It's a mystery box kind of deal. Every month you pay them some money, they send you a box. The more money you pay them, the more stuff they send you. And they have 4 levels. They have a basic, advanced, pro, and pro plus. Basically, they're $35 a month, $65 a month, $120 a month, or $170 a month, plus shipping and handling. And you get more value than that. And we'll talk about that as we go along. I do these videos so you can develop kind of a library and get an idea of what you might could expect, because you never know what you're going to get. They're always a mystery. So we'll open this Mission 89. Here's the first thing. There's always a little mission brief in here. It tells you kind of what's in the box and gives you some details about it. So without further ado, let's get to it. So the first level is the basic level. Again, that's $35 a month plus shipping and handling. They say it has an average value of $60. Let's see how well they did on that one. The first item in here is a pocket shot, and I've opened this thing up. This is a really cool little thing. I've seen these before. It's an innovative little slingshot. Basically, you take this cap off here, and you got some. They gave you, let's see, 20. How many of these are there? I don't know how many of these are, but they have some BBs in here, a little bag of BBs, and I don't know. These are probably like almost 30 caliber. Basically, you put the BB in the little bag, and you pop something with it. So that's pretty cool. I might even have done a video on this one several years ago, but it's a pocket shot. It's pretty cool because it's just a very, very, I mean, look how small this thing is, but it should be good enough to get some small game with. So we'll see how that goes. But anyway, that's the first item on here, and they have a $24.95 value on that. The second item is something that's always good to have, and it is a small Rescue Essentials Battle Bandage, which is basically a kind of a compact version of an Israeli bandage. It has a bandage pad on it and a wrap, and it's shrink wraps to take up very little room. Always good to have those life-saving gear in your stuff. This one has an $18.50 value. It's 100% made in the USA. So there's that one. And the next item on the basic box is something else I really, really like, and that is the Decibels custom molded earplugs. You've seen these on the channel before. They really do work. They work really well. Allows you to take and basically boil these things in water for 5 minutes or something like that, and you can shape them into your ears. So it gives you custom shaped for your ear hearing protection. It really does work really well, and at a fraction of the cost of custom hearing protection. Like the value on these is $25.99, and they also are 100% made in the USA, as is the pocket shot. So all 3 items in the basic box are 100% made in the USA. You know I like that. So that's everything in the basic level, and we're gonna round it off up a nickel. So you'll give me a couple of nickels, right? That's 25. And 26 is 51, and 18.5 is 69.5. So $69.5 worth of value, retail value for $35 plus shipping and handling. That's the basic. The second level is the advanced box, and in the advanced box you get everything in the basic plus some more stuff. This month the more stuff is this Dead Fish Winge Alpine foldable chef knife, and let's just take a look at this. Pretty cool. It's EN 416 stainless steel. Has a little frame lock or liner lock in here, and Dead Fish makes some really cool knives. I think I've got they do some pretty nice stuff. So this is the let's see what it says. Each life is literally a work of art. as well as fully functional. The Winch Alpine foldable chef knife is very sharp, good looking, long lasting, and will fit right in at home or in the outdoors in the wilderness. Basically has a 5.5 inch blade, solid Winch wood, sometimes referred to as African rosewood handle. And the blade material is German 1.4116 stainless steel. So there's that. There's a close up of it. And the price on this is $60, $59.99. That's going to bring us to, man, I hate doing math on camera, but we had 51 and 18.5 is 69.5 plus 60 is 100, say $130. I'm say 129, but 130 to keep it nice and round. So that's everything in the advanced box. The next level is the Pro box, and the Pro box, you know, you get everything plus some more stuff. This month it is the Nikon 1600 lumens headlamp, and it says 1600 lumens. This says 1000 on here, but this says 1600 on the box. So I'm going to go with the box. It's H35, and it has a spotlight mode, a floodlight mode, or a red light mode. And it's got anti-slip straps, so it's got the strap that goes over your head. I like that. It'll fit on your hat or helmet. IP65 water resistant and rechargeable. So pretty cool there. 1600 lumens, a 30-hour runtime. And it's an 18650 rechargeable battery. I'm not going to take this out of the pack right now because I'll spend too much time getting it back in, but it looks like a pretty good headlamp, and it has a $70 value, which sounds about right to me. So that puts it at, where were we at? We were at 130. No, we were at 130 plus 70 is $200 for a $120 cost. So not bad there. Finally, the last level is the Pro Plus box. And at the Pro Plus, usually it's a knife, some kind of sharp stuff. This month, it is a really, really cool knife. It's the M3 Tactical M3 Force Recon. And let me see if I can get this thing out of here. It's in the box pretty good. But this one is a really nice knife. And here it is in a Kydex sheath with a nice little karambit ring on the end. By golly. Oh my gosh, by golly, sharp. And let's see, let's talk about the details. The overall length is 7 and 7/8 inches, finished in their Force Recon murdered out black. It's a full tang knife with CPM D2 steel ground to a razor sharp edge. I'm trying to do like they used to do on those, sound like they used to do on those Schrade commercials, but in black G10 scales with a ring finger. Really, really nice. This is 100% made in the USA. Yes, and this one is a Battlbox exclusive, $189.99 value. They stepped up on this one. I really like this knife. The blade length is 3 and 3/8. Let's see, the thickness is 0.178. That's a little over 1/8 of an inch. And the handle scales are removable if you really want to go low profile. And it has this Kydex pancake sheath. So that is the Pro Plus box. So that brings it up to 300. Oh man, I should have been writing this down, shouldn't I? That was 130 plus 70 is 200. That brings up to about $390 value for $170 for the Pro Plus this month. So that's it. I forgot to do this last time. I'm gonna do it this time. I'd like to talk about what some of my favorite things in the box are. At least 1 or 2 of my favorite things. And hands down, this is one of them. These decibels, I've got some of these. I like them a lot. They really, really work, and they also have some different ones with noise percussive filters and all different. They got different versions, but this is the basic version. And then, man, you know, I gotta say, I really like this M3 Force Recon. I mean, just everything about it I like. It looks good. It feels good. It's got a nice balance, and I like it. So there you go. I hope this has been helpful. If you're interested in checking out Battlbox further, you can save 15% on your first monthly box by using the coupon code Survival on Purpose at checkout. You can check them out. And also, if you see stuff that maybe you liked in the past boxes, they have a lot of stuff on the website right now that you can just buy individually. So that's something they've started doing just I don't know, a couple of years ago maybe. But that's it. So thanks for watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.